How to claim Magic Eden airdrop token. In this video, I'm going to be quickly showing you on how you can claim your Magic Eden airdrop token in the easiest and most simplest way. So to do this for yourself, what you are going to be doing is you are simply going to go over to your Magic Eden app as you are here right now. And right over here in the announcements tab, you're simply going to scroll to the right where it's going to say claim ME now. So this is where you're going to claim your Magic Eden token. So simply click on claim now. And once we do this, it's going to load us up into the Me Foundation where it's going to say eligible or already claimed. So to become eligible, all you're going to need to do is you're going to add your wallet from a seed phrase. So if you have a wallet that you've created from an imported seed phrase, you can import it into your Magic Eden wallet. And what that will do is it will make you eligible enough to get the Magic Eden token. And in the case that you have already done that, like me, I have already claimed my Magic Eden token, so it might show you this error. So yeah, that is pretty much how you can go ahead and claim your Magic Eden token. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.